Hey, I'm Carl.
Hey, I'm Carl too. Did you steal my name?
No, I didn't.
Did you steal my face?
Dude, we're twins.
Oh shit, that's true. Dope.
So we're trying to get to the studio today, but we got a little too stoned.
So we're gonna bring you the news from this couch instead. If you could pick between the most beautiful girl and weed, what would you pick?
Can you repeat the question?
Politics.
Politics. I like politics.
I don't think Donald Trump would like this couch.
You think he would like it or hate it?
I think he would hate it because it's from IKEA.
So, I mean, IKEA, why would he hate IKEA?
I think he only likes stuff made in America.
I like IKEA.
Me too, man.
I mean, the furniture's pretty terrible.
What are you talking about, man? I got that lamp at IKEA.
Word?
I did, and I've never had any problems with it.
Yo, I'm so high right now.
Yeah, I'm stupid high.
I'm so high, I'm not even sure where we are right now.
I'm so high that I can't even tell if I'm looking at you or if I'm looking at myself in the mirror.
I feel like I can move things with my mind.
Really? You
Yeah.
should try it, man.
Should I try?
Yeah, try it with that bag of chips.
All right, I'm gonna try to move it.
It's not moving.
Move.
It's not moving.
Come on. Alright, well, I guess I can't do it.
I'm so stoned right now that I can confuse salt with pepper and not give a fuck.
I'm so high right now. I'm so high right now. I could watch Space Jam on an infinite loop.
I'm so high right now. I feel like I can walk on water, but I won't because I can't swim. I'm so high right now. I feel like ordering cable and then calling like 15 minutes later and then canceling it. I'm so stoned right now. I want to buy an orange and just eat it.
Thank you for watching, and good night and good luck.
One.